Welcome to CreatorOS AI. Let's take a tour. The first thing you'll notice is Growth Radar. Think of this as your YouTube command center. Here you can audit your channel, discover growth opportunities, research competitors, find untapped keywords, and receive AI-powered recommendations before creating your next video. Instead of guessing what works, CreatorOS AI shows you where the opportunity already exists. Now let's move into Video Forge. This is where your content creation begins. Simply enter your topic and CreatorOS AI walks you through every stage, from idea to hooks to a complete script, and finally an organized video kit ready for production. Everything follows a guided workflow, so you never feel overwhelmed. Creating long-form videos or shorts becomes faster than ever. Once your script is finished, head over to Voice Studio. Paste your script, choose from multiple AI voices, select your preferred language and speaking style, and generate professional quality narration in just a few clicks. No microphone, no recording setup, no editing headaches. Next comes one of the most important parts, your thumbnail. Thumbnail Pro Engine creates high-quality AI thumbnails based on your topic. Then ClickBoost takes things even further. It helps you build thumbnails designed to maximize click-through rate. For publishing, RankPilot helps optimize everything. Analyze your title, improve your description, organize your tags, review your thumbnail, complete your publishing checklist. Will this video actually perform? That's exactly why CreatorOS AI includes the Success Predictor. Test your video concept before publishing, experiment with different titles, compare ideas. Then, after publishing, Watch Time Max analyzes viewer retention, detects potential drop-off points, and helps you keep your audience watching longer. Need more ideas? CreatorOS AI includes a complete research suite. Analyze competitors, find hidden content gaps, discover low-competition keywords, receive AI recommendations tailored specifically to your niche. Need publishing assets? Creator Toolkit generates everything required for your workflow. Need AI-generated videos? Video Creation Engine transforms simple prompts into complete video content. It's designed to remove repetitive work so you can focus on creating more. But CreatorOS AI doesn't stop after publishing. MoneyFlow helps you build a monetization roadmap, estimate revenue opportunities, and plan your YouTube business. Profit Accelerator helps you diversify your income through digital products, affiliate marketing, brand deals, and multiple revenue streams. Because growing views is great, but growing income is even better. If you're building a Faceless YouTube channel, Faceless Empire provides ready-made production systems, templates, and guided workflows to launch faster. And for creators who want the complete experience, Infinity VIP unlocks premium templates, exclusive playbooks, advanced frameworks, and future CreatorOS updates, all inside the same dashboard. CreatorOS AI isn't just another AI tool. It's the platform where ideas become videos, videos become channels, and channels become real businesses. From research to scripting, voiceovers, thumbnails, optimization, analytics, automation, and monetization,